my mate already getting a lot for Christmas. Me nothing. Since you cannot take care of me, I want to go and look for a man that can take care of me, buy me bone straight, change my hair.
Damn! This country is hot. I can't stay here. I need to go back to Turkey. Go back to Turkey. You know you're the one spoiling me, right? By the time I change my house colors, I must spoil you too. You get that? Tell them to give me fish first.
Bring me!
Brother Solo, you know said this will take you. So now this fine jacket then you with the price 900 naira.
So, Baba, this one how much?
Baba, now 1.5. Just 1.5.
One what?
Just 1.5.
Baba, I'll give you 900.
Baba, with this jacket, now village, you know. Village, Baba, no now.
Okay, no much talk. I'll give you 1,000. What did they say? I don't get the money actually now.
Next time I take you. Why they cut that for me now? Baba, I still give you the jacket 1K. Up till now, you never pay. You still get mine, come my shop. You collect trousers, you collect shirts. Baba, as your be so, I know they sell again. Baba, you put my clothes. Baba, put my clothes for me, put my jacket now. I know they sell again. Just give my clothes. Just pull them. That's what they do. What are the shirts? Now you get shirts.
Yeah!
Oh, take it easy. Take it easy. I go to pay, collect it on credit for both of women. You sit down. You don't pay for trousers. About give my trousers, Jare. That's not what they do. You don't get money, you won't carry woman.
It's shock.
I just go back.
You are doing well.
Bring on me. Bring my trousers. Quick at the ordering.
You don't know why it's going on.
But give me something. Next time try they pay for something they buy.
Yeah!
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Think say they wise.